Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best boat kill switch is probably one of the most overlooked yet critically important safety devices on any watercraft, acting as your immediate guardian against runaway vessels and potential accidents by instantly cutting engine power if you're unexpectedly separated from the helm, ensuring peace of mind and protecting everyone on board from unforeseen dangers on the open water. Number 5. Attwood 7591-6 Universal Boat Kill Kit. This essential kit ensures your safety on the water. It comes with 7 keys, designed to fit most major outboard kill switches, including Johnson, Mercury, and Yamaha. Say goodbye to frustrating tangles. Its swivel snap hook and coiled lanyard are engineered to keep things neat and accessible, ensuring it's always ready when you need it. Crafted with premium quality materials, this kit is designed for durability. Stainless steel crimps and a rubberized line prevent rust and corrosion, even in harsh marine environments. You'll never lose sight of this vital safety accessory. Its bright red color makes it easy to spot, ensuring you can quickly locate it whenever necessary. Like all Attwood products, it is both compatible and reliable. Engineered with a never-fail attitude, it provides peace of mind for every boater. What we like. This product stands out with its universal key compatibility, ensuring it works with a wide range of engines. If you own multiple boat brands or frequently switch vessels, its versatile design makes it an ideal choice. Its robust, corrosion-resistant build also guarantees long-lasting reliability in harsh marine environments. What people say. No reviews found in a provided source JSON to extract points from. No reviews found in a provided source JSON to extract points from. Number 4. Mercury Marine Kill Switch Lanyard 8M0092850. Ensure your boating adventures are always safe with this crucial replacement part. It's designed to provide peace of mind on the water. Specifically engineered for Mercury Marine boats, it offers a seamless and reliable connection. It's a direct replacement for your existing safety switch. In an emergency, this instantly activates your boat's kill switch, stopping the engine. It's a vital safety measure for every boater. Crafted for durability, this 54-inch lanyard provides ample length and withstands harsh marine conditions. You can rely on its robust construction. Replacing your old lanyard is quick and straightforward. It ensures your emergency stop system is always functional and ready. What we like. This lanyard is a direct replacement specifically designed for Mercury Marine systems. If you need a longer tether for more freedom of movement on your boat, its generous 54-inch length provides ample reach. It's a straightforward, dependable option for Mercury owners seeking a standard, extended replacement. What people say. Number 3. Mercury Mercruiser Emergency Stop Lanyard 8M0092849. This bright red, coiled safety lanyard is a crucial replacement for your boat engine. It features an aluminum alloy clip for the operator and a loop for the stop switch, ensuring you never operate your boat without proper safety. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic, nylon fiber, and aluminum alloy, it offers superior safety and durability. This brand-new tether is waterproof, lightweight, and built to strict quality standards for improved longevity. Designed to replace part numbers like 8M0092849, 15920T54, and others, it ensures broad compatibility. This emergency kill switch lanyard fits most Mercury Mercruiser boat engines, making it a reliable choice. Featuring a brand new professional design, its aluminum alloy clip provides lasting reliability. The coiled cord extends from 6 inches to nearly 39 inches, and the swivel snap hook prevents tangles, offering maximum flexibility. Purchase with confidence, as it comes with a generous 24-month warranty. If you have any questions or need support, our team is always ready to assist you. What we like. This replacement lanyard boasts a high-quality construction with durable ABS plastic and nylon fiber, ensuring longevity. If you prioritize robust build quality and peace of mind, its enhanced design and 24-month warranty offer excellent value. It's a reliable, purpose-built option for Mercury and Mercruiser owners. What people say. Number 2. Mercruiser Marine Boat Kill Switch Lanyard 8M0092850. Ensure your boating adventures are always safe. This vital accessory provides peace of mind, designed to prevent accidents on the water. Always fasten it before starting your boat. Specifically crafted to replace models like 8M00092850, it offers perfect compatibility. Its design ensures a comfortable fit, stretching over 54 inches for optimal use. Constructed from a durable nylon-coated coil and featuring robust aluminum alloy clips, it's made for marine environments. This ensures it's waterproof, lightweight, and incredibly reliable. In an emergency, simply pulling it will instantly shut off your engine. This action quickly brings your boat to a safe stop, preventing potential hazards. Attaching it is effortless thanks to its large aluminum alloy buckle. You can easily secure it to your clothing, life jacket, or wrist, ensuring it's always within reach. What we like. This lanyard offers a distinctive blue color for easy identification and a generous 54-inch length for comfort. If you prefer a specific aesthetic or require maximum mobility on deck, its extended reach and vibrant hue are perfect. Its large, easy-to-use aluminum alloy buckle also ensures quick and secure attachment. What people say. Number 1. Frienda Boat Engine Emergency Stop Kill Safety Lanyard. Accidents can happen quickly on the water. This crucial device ensures your safety and peace of mind while operating your boat. You receive 2 reliable safety lanyards in each package. This ample supply allows you to have a spare or share with fellow boaters, ensuring everyone stays safe. Crafted from quality nylon, its wristband is soft, reusable, and adjustable for any wrist size. It offers high hardness and no deformation, providing long-term, secure use. This lanyard is compact at 3.2 inches when coiled, yet extends to 62.9 inches for full functionality. Its flexible design makes it easy to carry and store without taking up much space. Simply attach it to your wrist when starting your motorboat. If you fall or are separated from the controls, it will instantly move the switch, stopping the engine to prevent accidents. These emergency cutoff cords are widely applicable for most boat switches. They also fit various outboard motors, providing a convenient and essential safety upgrade for many vessels. What we like. This product comes in a convenient 2-pack, providing excellent value and a spare. If you need multiple lanyards or want to share with a boating partner, this dual offering is ideal. Its adjustable wristband with a hook and loop fastener ensures a comfortable and secure fit for various users. What people say. No reviews were found in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.